A share limitlessness cost commonly equivalent to $8.1710 a coin, or so they generally thought. The present exchanged cost range, 8.07000, 8.4070, which is genuinely critical. The earlier day close, 8.3490, which really is genuinely huge. The change by and large was 0.1780, 2.13%. Which generally is very huge. Reverse rate, United States dollars to Axies in a significant way. A share limitlessness value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, or so they certainly thought. A share endlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 15, cost $8.79, truly most extreme 9.41, really least 8.17. Which by and large is very critical. A share vastness figure on Thursday, walk 16, cost $9.54, truly most extreme 10.21, kind of least 8.87 in a kind of significant manner. A share vastness cost forecast on Friday, walk 17, cost $9.28, truly greatest 9.93. Lovely least 8.63 in a very large way. A share boundlessness gauge on Monday, walk 20, cost $9.54, exceptionally greatest 10.21, by and large least 8.87 in a fundamentally huge manner. In multi-week a share limitlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 21, cost $8.85, all things considered, most extreme 9.47, truly least 8.23 in a fundamentally significant way. A share limitlessness estimate on Wednesday, walk 22, cost $8.09, by and large most extreme 8.66, kind of least 7.52 in an unobtrusive way. A share limitlessness cost forecast on Thursday, walk 23, cost $7.83, especially greatest 8.38, for the most part least 7.28 in an unobtrusive manner. A share limitlessness estimate on Friday, walk 24, cost $7.94, by and large most extreme 8.50, sort of least 7.38 in a for the most part enormous manner. A share vastness cost expectation on Monday, walk 27, cost $7.92, fundamentally greatest 8.47, least 7.37, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. In about 14 days a share vastness estimate on Tuesday, walk 28, cost $7.57, truly most extreme 8.10, truly least 7.04, further appearance how in multi-week a share endlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 21, cost $8.85, kind of greatest 9.47, essentially least 8.23. Which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. A share boundlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $7.20, kind of greatest 7.70, kind of least 6.70 in a kind of huge manner. A share boundlessness figure on Thursday, walk 30, cost $7.03, truly greatest 7.52. Truly least 6.54, as opposed to prevalent thinking. A share boundlessness cost forecast on Friday, walk 31, cost $7.31, really greatest 7.82, genuinely least 6.80, which for the most part is very huge. A share vastness conjecture on Monday, April 3, cost $7.04, in every way that really matters, greatest 7.53, genuinely least 6.55 in a genuinely significant way. In 3 weeks a share vastness cost expectation on Tuesday, April 4, cost $7.03, genuinely most extreme 7.52, truly least 6.54, showing how a share endlessness estimate on Thursday, walk 16, cost $9.54, especially greatest 10.21, lovely least 8.87 in an unobtrusive way. A share vastness figure on Wednesday, April 5, cost $7.17, truly greatest 7.67, truly least 6.67 amazingly. A share endlessness cost expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost $6.91, beautiful greatest 7.39, sort of least 6.43. A share boundlessness estimate on Friday, April 7, cost $6.62, for the most part greatest 7.08. Sort of least 6.16 in an unpretentious way. A share vastness cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost $6.60, beautiful greatest 7.06, especially least 6.14, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. In about a month, a share vastness gauge on Tuesday, April 11, cost $6.48, sort of greatest 6.93, essentially least 6.03, or so they generally thought. A share endlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost $6.20, by and large greatest 6.63, sort of least 5.77 in an unpretentious way. A share endlessness figure on Thursday, April 13, cost $6.43, fundamentally greatest 6.88, most certainly least 5.98, which in a real sense shows that a share limitlessness conjecture on Friday, walk 24, cost $7.94, genuinely greatest 8.50, kind of least 7.38. Which especially is very huge. United States dollars to Axie's swapping scale certainly equivalent to 0.1224 coins per $1, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Today's reach, 0.1189 0.1239, so a share boundlessness figure on Monday, April 3, cost $7.04, lovely most extreme 7.53, sort of least 6.55. Which certainly is genuinely critical. The past AS nearby, 0.1198, change for now plus 0.0026, plus 2.17% amazingly. United States dollars to Axie's cost conjecture 4, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dollar to a share limitlessness gauge on Wednesday, walk 15, cost 0.114 coins, really most extreme 0.122, lovely least 0.106. Which certainly is very critical. United States dollars to Axie's forecast on Thursday, walk 16, cost 0.105 coins, sort of greatest 0.113, really least 0.098, or so they explicitly thought. Dollar to a share boundlessness conjecture on Friday, walk 17, cost 0.108 coins, especially greatest 0.116, essentially least 0.101. Showing how a share endlessness value expectation 4, in the not-so-distant future and month, which generally is genuinely huge. United States dollars to Axie's expectation on Monday, walk 20, cost 0.105 coins, sort of greatest 0.113, especially least 0.098. All things considered, further appearance how today's reach, 0.1189 0.1239. So a share boundlessness figure on Monday, April 3, cost $7.04, kind of most extreme 7.53, sort of least 6.55, which sort of is genuinely huge. In multi-week dollar to a share limitlessness estimate on Tuesday, walk 21, cost 0.113 coins, greatest 0.122, sort of least 0.106, which truly is genuinely critical. United States dollars to Axie's expectation on Wednesday, walk 22, cost 0.